In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto formatting in Google Docs. This feature can be helpful, but sometimes it gets in the way of how you want your document to look. So let's get started with the steps to disable it. First, open up your web browser and navigate to the Google Docs homepage. If you haven't logged in yet, make sure to sign in with your Google account credentials. Once you're there, go ahead and open a blank document. This provides a clean slate to work with, giving you a better understanding of how the formatting changes will take effect. With your blank document open, the next thing to do is direct your attention to the top of the page. There, you'll see a menu bar with various options. What you want to do now is click on Tools. This will open up a drop-down menu with several selections related to document management and editing. Now, from the drop-down menu that appeared, click on Preferences. By doing this, a dialog box will pop up, and in this dialog box, you will notice two tabs titled General and Substitutions. These sections control different aspects of Google Docs auto formatting capabilities. Start with the General tab. Here, you will see checkboxes for various auto formatting features like automatically capitalized words and use smart quotes, among others. You can uncheck these boxes according to your preferences. If a particular feature is causing issues with your document's formatting, simply uncheck it to disable that specific function. After adjusting settings in the General tab, move on to the Substitutions tab. This section contains a list of automatic substitutions that Google Docs applies to your typing. For example, if you type 115, it usually converts this to a fraction symbol. To turn off these automatic substitutions, simply uncheck the box next to any entry you wish to disable. Once you've made all your desired changes in both the General and Substitutions tabs, it's crucial to save your settings. Look towards the bottom of the dialog box and click on the OK button. This action will save your changes and close the Preferences window, applying the new settings to your current and future documents, and there you have it. Auto formatting has been successfully turned off in Google Docs. This should give you greater control over how your text looks and behaves. Thank you for watching the video. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Docs and other productivity tools.